Introducing the next generation in smarter smoke detection. The DET-SMK RF AC smoke alarms from MATelec Australia, featuring advanced photoelectric technology designed for smarter, seamless whole home protection. Equipped with the latest in smoke detection innovation, dual spectrum technology. Featuring 2 light emitters inside the smoke alarm chamber, they work together to analyse smoke particles with advanced precision. Real fires are detected faster, while dust, steam and cooking fumes are filtered out, reducing false alarms. For the home resident, this means less disturbance and greater protection. And for the busy electrician, this means less call-outs. Connect up to 48 alarms wirelessly via radio frequency or up to 24 alarms through a hardwired link. This means that when one alarm is triggered in the network, they all sound, providing full coverage across large homes and multi-storey properties, a regulation for many states of Australia. Stay protected during power outages with a 1-year replaceable battery backup option or a 10-year long-life battery backup model. These include smart chirp alerts to indicate when a replacement is needed, ensuring continuous and uncompromised protection. Installation is quick and easy for the electrician thanks to a detachable base and large accessible wiring terminals. They come complete with wall lock screws, providing a secure and fast fit-off. Built for Australian conditions, the DET-SMK RF AC range performs reliably in temperatures up to 45 degrees Celsius and humidity up to 93%. With a sleek, vermin-resistant design, wire mesh inside to keep bugs out, and the full AS3786 standard compliance, is engineered for long-term durability and peace of mind. Smart features include hush mode to temporarily silence nuisance alarms, alarm memory to identify which smoke alarm is triggered if there are multiple interconnected units within the dwelling, and compatibility with the MATelec FSA 90,000 remote controller that makes testing, silencing and maintenance of your alarms quick and easy. Reliable, intelligent and versatile, the DET-SMK RF AC range delivers next generation smoke detection with seamless interconnection and robust performance. And remember, every MATelec smoke alarm is backed by the Smarter Smoky Guarantee. Compliant, complete support, guaranteed.